Welcome to our channel. Resetting your Samsung Smart TV to factory settings can resolve software issues, remove personal data before selling, or simply start fresh. Follow these step-by-step instructions to perform a complete factory reset. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and press the Home button on your remote control to access the main menu. Step 2. Navigate to Settings using the directional pad on your remote. The settings icon typically looks like a gear and is located at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down and select General from the Settings menu. Then look for the Reset option within the General Settings submenu. Step 4. Select Reset, and you'll be prompted to enter your TV's security PIN. The default PIN is usually 0000 or 1234 unless you've changed it previously. Step 5. Read the warning message explaining that all settings will be restored to factory defaults and all installed apps will be removed. Select Yes to confirm and proceed. Step 6. Wait while your Samsung TV performs the reset process. The screen may go black momentarily, and the TV will restart automatically. Step 7. After the restart, your TV will display the initial setup screen just like when you first purchased it. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your language and region. Step 8. Complete the setup by connecting to your Wi-Fi network, signing into your Samsung account, and reconfiguring your preferred settings. Your TV is now reset and ready to use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.